Launching Hiwell production. The morning light fills the office, and the hour hand rotates on the dial. Every step we take strives for efficient response, and steadily moving forward. Every line on the drawing is a clear response to customer needs. Intense discussions and repeated deductions are only for polishing a reasonable design plan. The production details of Hiwell are hidden in every part. From raw materials to precision parts, every process of independent processing is strictly executed according to the process standards. When the accessories are gathered here, the assembly process of drum former begins. Every component is assembled by experienced workers. The key links are repeatedly confirmed, and the key nodes are accurately located. The electrical parts affect the stability and safety of equipment operation. The rigorous arrangement of standard components and the orderly connection of each line are completed according to the standard process. From installation to debugging, every detail is repeatedly verified, ensuring reliable subsequent operation. Equipment needs to go through multiple inspections, and delivery can only be done after standards are met.